Indio, California at Coachella, and we're so stoked to be here.
Tonight, we're going to have 300 Intel shooting star drones fly up in the sky, and they're going to create a dynamic light art installation that Intel has created specifically for Coachella. We have the windmills and the wind turbines. We also have the Coachella Ferris wheel that rotates. And at the very end, we obviously had to have palm trees.
We're bringing this to Coachella because it just makes so much sense. You have the music, you have the lights, you have the nighttime experience. It's the perfect fit.
The technology we're using has been designed to be very easy to use, very safe to use, although the drones have a very light weight.
These drones are built just for a light show. They don't have any cameras. It's made out of plastic and foam. And it only has one light bulb that emits 4 billion color combinations. Literally 18 months ago, we just started with Drone 100. We said, we want to show this across the world. In Australia and Germany and Mexico, we want to show this at Coachella. We're working hand in hand with HP, powering Intel drones up in the sky and bringing it at the best music festival for this experience.